So what we have here today is the Combat Zone Enforcer, which comes with the pistol itself and a 15-round magazine with it. And it's pretty decent, no blowback. It's just a regular plastic pistol. And right here is where the clip release is. You put the CO2 right back here after you pull this out. Then you unwind this to put the CO2 in, and then you got the 15-round magazine, which you just insert through here, and then you got the pistol. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty decent. Doesn't shoot too far. Has the usual problem of shooting 2 rounds at the same time or splitting the BB when you shoot it, but yeah, that's about it.